Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a fog light on a Toyota Rav4 easy method. Start by parking safely and disconnecting the battery to avoid shocks. Gather a replacement bulb, a 10mm socket, and a flat screwdriver. Remove the splash shield or access cover to reach the fog housing. Keep hardware organized and note orientation of parts. If a connector is tight, press the release tab and wiggle gently to avoid damage. Begin by turning the steering wheel away from the side you are working on to gain access. Use a flashlight to confirm the housing and bolts. Remove the two mounting bolts and carefully lower the fog housing slightly to expose the bulb. Unclip the bulb retainer and pull the old bulb straight out. Inspect the socket for corrosion and clean if necessary before installing the new bulb. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation: grab a little Tree's black ice for a fresh-smelling car after greasy hands and shop mess. It keeps your ride pleasant while you work. I like how it masks odors and is easy to hang near the console. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Handle the new bulb by the base and align it with the housing, avoiding contact with the glass. Secure the retainer and reconnect the wiring harness until you hear the click. Reinstall the housing and tighten mounting bolts evenly to prevent misalignment. Reconnect the battery and test the fog light by switching it on. Check aim and brightness against the other side. Adjust aim if needed and finish by replacing any covers and tools.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.